Hi guys, my name's Jason West from Funnel Demos, and today I just wanted to show you what I believe to be probably the quickest, easiest way to build a website that I've discovered in the last 17 years or 18 years now of doing this business. There's lots of drag and drop website builders, but for me, the best one that is fun to use, actually fun without a huge learning curve, has got to be ClickFunnels. Now, well, you can build any kind of a website with it, as well as proper sales funnels. So you get like a menu here or a cookbook, as Russell Brunson calls it, and you can sort of pick a pre-formatted template suitable for your needs. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to show you how to build like a home page. So this one here. So I'll just click Select Funnel, and then all you need to do once you have a ClickFunnels account is just click on a funnel map. Oh, no, you don't. Funnel map. I'll just show you this here. Here we go. So this is the actual map of what you're about to create. There's your home page. There's also a little pop-up for grabbing emails off people. And then when they fill that in, it will take them to a thank you page. So the purpose of this is really just a home page and to build your mailing list. So if we scroll down here, we can choose from some of these pre-formatted ones. There's loads of free ones, but there's also some that you can pay for, like templates and everything. Or you can just build your homepage from complete scratch, which is really, really cool. So let's just take a look at this one here. This one's called Conquer. And that will just whip up, and you just click Get Funnel. And then that will just go straight into your account and look just like you can see there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to edit that as well, so I can show you how simple it is. So here's your home page. You don't have to have a thank you page either. You can cross that right off if you don't want to just have a home page for you, your brand, whatever it is you do, your business. So let's click Edit. And this is the drag and drop editor that I'm telling you about. And really, there's just three parts to this. You've got, as I put my mouse around the area here, can you see it goes green there? That's a section. And then if we move in a little bit more, you've got rows, and then in further still, and you've got elements. So the whole page is built up like that. And every time you want to add something new, you can just create a new section, row, or add an element. So say, for example, here, we've got like navigation. We can just click that plus icon there, and it just says add new element. So say, for example, we wanted to add, I'm just going to do a silly demo here, but just, like another headline. So there's the headline, and then you edit the headline. So let's just do that now. Done. So super, super easy. And if you don't want it there, just click on cross. The dustbin there, and it's gone. Okay, if you want to change the logo on there, that's fine. Just click on the logo and then go search for another logo. So you can upload all of your images here. So just say, hi, I wanted to upload this as my logo. There you go, done. Can you see how you don't need any web design skills as such to be able to create a half decent website using this software? So we've got a video here and everything. You don't have to have that, of course. You can cross that off. You don't have to even have a logo at the top. You can just cross off the whole section if you want. And then you can see, like when you go to here, sections, if you click manage, you can just see we've got two sections, that one and that one, because you can see the screen changing in the background. And then you can actually alternate them if you want. You can just go and bring that up. So now, when we go to the website, it's moved like the terms and conditions and everything up to the top. You can also just do it like this as well. Just click the down arrow. So that's moved it back down there. So it's really easy. I mean, you do not have to be some kind of a genius to do this. And now these nice elements here, which could be images, buttons, links into other things, whatever you want, that's in a row with 4 columns. So how do we add one of those? Well, let's just add a new row now. You get to choose right here. So you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 5 columns, whatever you want. So let's just click 5 just for argument's sake. Let's just drag that on there. There we go. Let's pull it in. Behave. Oops, I've got to find the right place to put it here. Let's let that go. Okay, that's strange. Why isn't that working? Let's do that again. Well, there you go. Sorry, it was me not pressing the button well enough. So there you go. We got a nice little easy 6-row or 6-column row. And then you can go and add in an element to each of these individual things, which could be, a video just like this, or it could be anything you want. It can be some text. So you can just add in a paragraph there if you want, like that. Or you can add in a bullet list like that. Let's just go and add in, for example, an image as well. And then they all stick a demo image in there. And then you can go and grab your real one or upload the one that you want in there from there. Now, here's another really cool thing is you can also go hunting for images in the ClickFunnels system. So say, for example, you wanted that tick there, you can just add that tick in. And then if you wanted to as well, you can also do like kind of backgrounds and things and stock images. So let's just add that image in there. Oh, let's put it down there. There we go. And by the way, if you want to move something around, that is not a problem. You just drag and drop it. So this is really idiot proof. Now with the images there we go. You've got all these different ones like badges, boxes, check marks, underlines, faces. It's all very good for marketing websites. And also you can do a search. You can go and search these websites like Icon Finder, Unsplash, Pixabay, and so on. So let's just say I wanted to do a search for a laptop. It's now going to go and hunt and find all these images for laptop. Once we like one, we can just go ahead and click on it, and that will just go straight into your website, ready to go. So let's just do that now. There's a good one. So it's just uploading that into your system, so it's not grabbing it from a URL. And now you can just dump that straight into the page wherever you want. There it is, into your own system now, and there it is. And if for any reason, you don't want it there and you want to put it somewhere where it can be a bit bigger, for example. So let's just add a new element here. We'll just put image there for now. You can take that image and just drag it right up here like this. There we go. And you can see now it's full size like that. And also what you can do, you can change this quite a bit too. So you can move it up and down, with the top margin there. You can link it to somewhere. You can control the image size. So let's just say we'll reduce that down to 400. You can see it does it straight away. 300, there you go. You can just keep playing with it. You can also put like a nice little frame around it or something like that, which, gives it a nice effect. There's lots of them. And then you can choose to align it in different ways and choose shadows and everything. But this is not rocket science. I mean, this is pretty straightforward to use, isn't it? So you can see how it's very easy. Now, from a search engine point of view, you can put in all your metadata there. Look, change your meta tags and everything. And it shows you what it will look like in the search results of Google, for example. You can add pop-ups and even do custom CSS. If you're doing marketing and everything, it's very important to be able to add your Facebook pixel, your Google Analytics, all of that stuff can go straight into the tracking code section just here. You get a header and footer code because some codes like to be in different places. So you can also make it mobile friendly. Look, just clicking on mobile, you can now see straight away what your website looks like on a mobile. And as you can see, it looks fantastic. And if you want to, you can hide certain things or alter certain things for mobile. So if you didn't want this particular video or image there, then you can choose, whether or not you want that element shown on a mobile and so on. So super flexible, super easy to use website builder. In my opinion, the best drag and drop editor available. And I've tried loads, there's like Builderall and Thrive Themes. I like Thrive Themes, but a little bit technical, to be honest with you. You can go really crazy with that builder and it's still really finicky. Whereas this one I find is pretty rock solid and has been well designed. And anytime you want to, you can also preview your website to see what it looks like, when you've got it let's just see if I can grab the URL and go back. I can show you what the preview would look like. There we go. So that's how the website kind of looks when it's live. So you can get a feel for it. Obviously, I didn't save any of the changes that I've just made, so it looks exactly the same as it originally was. But you got to admit, that's quite a nice looking website. You can change the background here as well. That's no problem, the background image. And if you want to, with ClickFunnels, you can also earn some really good affiliate commissions by leaving this little badge on there when people go, wow, that's a nice website. How do they make that? And they see the little ClickFunnels icon there and it takes them off to ClickFunnels. You'll earn some commission from that as well, and some very good commission. And in fact, there you go. You can see the exit pop. So where I didn't click the button to make the pop-up come up and I went to cross off, it then launched this, which is obviously a great way to try and capture as many emails as possible from those that are just about to disappear from your website without giving you their super valuable email address. So guys, I hope that's helped you sort of discover one of the best website builders online, in my opinion. If you want a free trial of this, by the way, just underneath the video, there is the option to go ahead and just click on the 14-day free trial link to ClickFunnels. So I hope that helped. And any comments or anything you'd like to know, just type it in underneath.